Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Himanshu Joshi. In today's video lecture, I will teach you that how to convert a given polar form into rectangular form and given rectangular form into polar form. I will teach you this conversion in scientific calculator. Clear? So we already know that the polar form is something which is given like in this way: r at an angle theta, where r is the magnitude and theta is the angle. And similar way, rectangular form is given by in this way: x plus jy, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. So let's consider the first conversion, that is from polar to rectangular. That means you have given this type of form r at an angle theta and you have to convert into rectangular form. That means something which is having a real part and imaginary part. So mathematically x and y is given by x is equal to r cos theta, where y is equal to r sin theta. So let's consider some of the example. I have written over here 3 example: 5 at an angle 30, 9 at an angle minus 65 and 6 at 6.79 at an angle 35. So let's see this example in one of the calculator. I have to consider over here FX991MS calculator. So let's see how to convert this polar form into rectangular form in FX991MS calculator. So let's see the step by step process. First let me turn it on. Now you have to convert into rectangular form. So first you have to press shift button and minus button. So over here REC, that means rectangular, will be displayed with single bracket. So if you want to convert 5 at an angle 30 into rectangular form, then first you have to press the magnitude. So magnitude is 5, so I will press 5. After that you have to press comma button and you have to enter this angle. So over here let me enter the angle 30 degree. After that you have to close the bracket. So this is the magnitude comma angle format. After that you have to press equal to button. So the first answer, so whatever answer you will get over here, this is your real part, that is 4.33. This is your real part. And if you wish, if you want imaginary part, then to take the imaginary part you have to press alpha 10 button. So over here F alphabet will be displayed. After that you have to press equal to button. Then you will get the imaginary part, that is the 2.5. So J 2.5. So this is the way to convert a polar form into a rectangular form. Let me consider the second example. Suppose I want to convert 9 at an angle minus 65 into rectangular. So again I will press shift minus button. I will enter the magnitude. I will press the comma button. I will enter the angle. So angle is minus 65. So I have to enter minus 65 over here. Then I will close the bracket. I will press the equal to. So first I will get the real part 3.803. So this is the 3.8. After that I want the imaginary part, so I will press alpha 10. Next I will press the equal to button. So I will get the imaginary part, that is minus 8.156. minus 8.156. This is the way to convert the polar form into rectangular form in FX991MS calculator. So let me close. Now I will show you the same conversion but in another calculator. So I will show you conversion of polar to rectangular in FX82MS calculator. Clear? FX82MS. So again let me turn it on. Now I want to convert this 6.79. I want to convert this 6.79 at an angle 35 into rectangular form by using FX82MS scientific calculator. So in FX82MS, if you want to convert polar to rectangular, you have to press shift with POL bracket button, that means polar button. So over here rectangular will be displayed. Now the procedure will be same. You have to enter the 6.79, that is the magnitude, comma angle 35. Next you have to close the bracket, press the equal to button. So you will get the real part, that is the 5.562 that I have written over here. After that you want imaginary part. So the same procedure, you have to press alpha 10 button, press equal to. So you will get the imaginary part, that is the 3.894. Clear? Let's consider the another example. Again the same calculator, FX82MS. Now I want to convert 7.5 at an angle 80.5 into rectangular form. So the procedure will be same. I will press shift POL button, polar button. I will enter the magnitude 7.5, comma angle 80.5, bracket will be closed. I will press the equal to button. So first I will get the real part, that is the 1.23785. Again I want to find out the imaginary part. So I will press the alpha 10 button, press the equal to button. So that is the J7.397. So this is the procedure from conversion of polar into rectangular form. Now consider the vice versa case, rectangular to polar form. That means you are having a sum of the real part, sum of the imaginary part. You want to convert that into magnitude and angle part, that means in polar form. So mathematically that is given by magnitude is equal to under root real part square plus imaginary part square. Angle is equal to tan inverse. Angle is given by tan inverse imaginary upon real part. Angle is given by tan inverse imaginary part upon real part. So let again consider the conversion of rectangular to polar. First I will show you in FX991MS calculator. So let me turn it on. So I want to convert first 3 plus 4j into polar form. So I will use FX991MS calculator. Clear? So to convert into polar form, I have to press shift and plus button. Now this polar will be displayed. Now I have to enter real part and imaginary part with comma separation. So I will enter 3, after that I will press comma and enter the imaginary part, and I will close the bracket and press the equal to button. So whatever I will get in display, that is our magnitude, that means R. Now to find out the angle, I have to press alpha 10 button. So F number will be, F numerical, alpha numerical will be displayed. Then I have to press the equal to button. So I will get the angle, that is the 53.13, that is the angle theta. Now next I want to convert minus 3.5 plus 6j into polar form. So again I have to press shift plus button. I will enter the imaginary part. Please note down that this real part is with negative sign. So I will enter minus 3.5, again comma, I will enter the imaginary part, that is the 6. I will close the bracket, I will press the equal to button. So that is the 6.946. To find out the angle, I will press alpha 10. Again I will press equal to button. So I will get the angle 120.256, that is the angle theta. So this is the procedure to convert rectangular to polar in FX991MS. Now I will show you how to convert the same thing if you have FX82MS calculator. So next two example I will do in FX82MS. So let me turn it on. Now we will convert 23 minus 13j into polar form. So to convert that in FX82MS, you have to simply press polar button. So polar and bracket will be displayed. Now you have to enter the real part 23, you have to press comma. Next you have to enter the imaginary part. Now this imaginary is minus sign, clear, with minus sign. So you have to enter the sign and imaginary part. So minus 13. Next you have to close the bracket, press the equal to button. So you will get the magnitude R, 26.419. Next if you want to find out the angle, then you have to press alpha 10 button and you have to press the equal to sign. So you will get the angle, that is equal to minus 29.475. Now let consider the another example, that is 21.5 minus j 8.5. So you want to convert this rectangular form into polar form. So again simply press polar button, press 21.5 comma imaginary part minus 8.5, close the bracket, press the equal to button, that is equal to 23.119. If you want to find angle, you have to press alpha 10 and then you have to press the equal to button, that is 21.57 minus 21.57. So this is the procedure to convert rectangular to polar in both the calculator. So I will show you both type of conversion in FX991MS and FX82MS. So with this we will conclude our session. If you have still any doubt in any type of conversion, then you can give your doubt in comment section. And if you like my video, then please like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.